सबको मोटिवेशन ही चाहिए. We scroll through reels, watch some videos, listen to You Can Do It types of videos, but still next morning you hit the snooze button and keep your life easy. Motivation gives energy, but discipline builds life. Motivation will keep you get started, but discipline is what keeps you going when there is no hype, no camera, no applause. आज हम बात करेंगे उस चीज के बारे में जो बोरिंग तो लगती है बट सीक्रेटली चेंजेस एवरीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. डिसिप्लिन. Because being motivated is easy, being consistent when you don't feel like it, that is rare. So, hi guys, this is episode 3, Discipline over Motivation. This is your host Taman Singh और मैं आपकी लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस इजी करना चाहता हूँ. तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और लाइक का बटन दबा दीजिए. Motivation is a spark. It lights up quick, but it burns out even faster. Think about this. How many times have you watched a motivational video? और उसके 2-3 घंटे तक तो तुम्हें लगता है कि भाई मैं तो अब दुनिया बदल दूंगा, अब तो मैं फाड़ के रख दूंगा, मैं तो ये कर दूंगा, वो कर दूंगा. बट कुछ देर बाद उसी दिन शाम को ही मान लो तुम वही रील्स वापस स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो. You are not doing something for yourself. Trust me, that is not your fault. That's how motivation works. It's an emotional fuel. It's not a fuel that can change your life. Real change starts when you realize you can't depend on mood to reach your goals. For example, I have a friend who I met in a gym. He was very consistent for 3 months. He used to wake up at 6 a.m. and coming to the gym, and like he was very motivated and he was doing very good. But one day कुछ हुआ, उसका मन नहीं किया आने का और वो एक दिन, एक हफ्ता हुआ, एक हफ्ता, एक महीना हो गया और 1 महीने से ज़्यादा ही हो चुका, अभी तक वो नहीं आया. कल उसको मैं मिला, उससे मैंने पूछा कि भाई कब आ रहे हो यार वापस. He said, I'm getting back to it. I think I will come by next month. And I'm pretty much sure he will not be coming back. Like, he's not in that phase or he is not that in situation that he will come back. You see how fast it goes. That's what motivation does. It gives you the start but not the system to build your life. What discipline really is. Discipline isn't punishment. It's self-respect in action. जो आप खुद के लिए एक प्रॉमिस करते हो और हर दिन उस प्रॉमिस को निभाने की कोशिश करते हो, चाहे मन हो या ना हो, that is discipline. It's not about perfection, it's about how you are going to show up anyway. Let's be honest. You won't always feel like working out, maybe starting or creating or working on your business or something that makes you feel happy, making yourself to reach your goals. But discipline whispers, do it anyway, bro. This is how you're going to reach your goals and you are achieving your goals. Like, I have a friend who is working in a startup. She told me that some days I feel like quitting because of so much workload, but I remind myself I didn't come to make my life comfortable. I am here to achieve my goals anyhow. And that is discipline is doing. Discipline is doing what matters even when comfort calls louder. मोटिवेशन इज इमोशन बेस्ड एंड डिसिप्लिन इज सिस्टम बेस्ड. जब आप अपनी लाइफ को हैबिट के थ्रू डिज़ाइन करते हो, आपको मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक इफ़ यू मेक अ रूल दैट you will not use any phone before 8 a.m. and you will work out before shower, you train your brain to follow commands instead of moods. Our brain loves pattern. Once you set a few non-negotiable habits, life becomes easier, not harder. Think of discipline as automation. The less you think about it, the better you get. Remember, consistency beats intensity. You don't need to do everything perfectly every day. You just need not to quit on days you feel low. There is a story I love about an athlete who said in an interview that people think I love training, but honestly, I don't. I love the result, I love the outcome which is coming from it. That hit me hard because nobody wants to wake up every day excited to grind, but the ones who do it anyway, they build lives other can't imagine. I have a friend who was preparing for government exams. He used to listen to the motivational videos every day. He wants to keep himself motivated to study, but he failed twice, and the third time he decided that he will not watch motivational videos anymore. बस 8 घंटे लगातार पढ़ूंगा, लग के पढ़ूंगा और मेहनत करूंगा और डिसिप्लिन के साथ पढ़ूंगा. And guess what? He cleared it. Not because he was motivated, because he was tired of restarting. That's the power of discipline. Let's make it practical on how you can make your life a disciplined life. Start small. Don't try to change your life overnight. Decide before emotion. Plan your next day before you sleep so mood doesn't decide what you are going to do next. Track your promises. Write what you need or what you did, not what you have planned. No 0 days. Even if you do 10%, it's still a win. And most importantly, stop waiting to feel ready. You will never feel 100% ready. You just start and readiness follows. Nobody talks about this. Discipline feels lonely. You will see others chilling, partying while you are grinding late night, and you will question, is it worth it? But here's the truth, the results that look magical later are built in the boring hours when no one was watching. I am sure you have listened in so many podcasts कि भाई वो बंदा एकदम से ही फेमस हो गया. Like for example, in past few months we have heard about Karan Aujla or maybe Diljit Dosanjh, maybe Zakir Khan, or a few years back we have also listened about him that वो एकदम से फेमस हो गए. एकदम से कोई पोर्टल खुला और वो फेमस हो गए. भाई एकदम से कुछ नहीं होता. वो इतने सालों से मेहनत कर रहे हैं, वो इतने सालों से लगे पड़े हैं अपनी मेहनत दिखाने में. वो बस मेहनत का फल खा रहे हैं. The result that you look magical later are built in boring hours when no one is watching. Remember this line, I am repeating it again. You don't need validation for doing the things right. Discipline doesn't shout, it shows. When others look back, they will say you were lucky. But you will know this is not luck. I made myself. I made my luck to be here. But you will know you were just doing your disciplined work. You were consistent, and you were achieving your goals in the nights when others were sleeping and partying. Motivation is not bad. Motivation होना चाहिए. Motivation is good, but discipline is important to achieve your goals, to achieve your life you want. डिसिप्लिन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। मोटिवेशन सबके पास होता है, बट डिसिप्लिन वो सिर्फ उन लोगों के पास होता है जिन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि अब रुकना नहीं है, अब तो मेरे पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं है जब तक मैं वो अचीव नहीं कर लेता। मोटिवेशन सुनने में तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, पुश योरसेल्फ, नेवर गिव अप, ड्रीम बिग, बट डिसिप्लिन वो तो बोरिंग है यार। वही सेम अलार्म, सेम रूटीन, सेम एफर्ट, बिना किसी क्लैप, बिना किसी अटेंशन के। ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, वही बोरिंग चीज़, वही रिपीटेशन एक दिन आपको वो लाइफ दे देती है जिसके लिए लोग मोटिवेट होते हैं। People don't fail because they lack motivation, they fail because they never learn to stay consistent when motivation is dead. You see, discipline is quite strength. जब सब सो रहे होते हैं और तुम अपने सपनों के लिए काम कर रहे हो तो दैट इज नॉट मोटिवेशन, दैट इज डिसिप्लिन। जब कोई तारीफ नहीं करता, कोई नोटिस नहीं करता, फिर भी तुम हर दिन अपने बेस्ट देने की सोचते हो, अपने सपनों के लिए लड़ने की सोचते हो, दैट इज डिसिप्लिन। जब तुम्हारा माइंड कहता है कि आज ऑफिस को बहुत काम था यार, मैं थक गया, आज मत कर, पर फिर भी तुम करते हो, वो मूवमेंट तुम्हें ऑर्डिनरी से एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी बनाता है। डिसिप्लिन डजंट गिव इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट, बट वन डे व्हेन यू लुक बैक यू विल रियलाइज एवरी स्मॉल डिसिप्लिन डे or build the version of you people now admire. The world will clap for your success, but you will know it was built in silence of your routine. I see people chase a motivation like it's oxygen. Like they say, bro, I just need to feel inspired again. But what if I told you don't need to feel inspired to act, you need to act to feel inspired? The energy comes after the action, the mood follows the movement. Every time you show up when you don't feel like it, you are building a future that your lazy version could never imagine. So don't wait for the perfect day or for the right moment or when I feel better. Start today, even it's small, even if nobody is noticing you. Because one day everything you did quietly will speak loudly. You will thank yourself for not quitting. You will be smiling, remembering all those lonely nights, all those silent efforts, all those times you choose discipline over comfort. The version of you, the one who didn't give up when no one believed in you, that's who you were meant to be all along. And trust me, the day you understand this, you will stop chasing motivation and start trusting yourself. Because motivation says you can, and discipline says you will. So if you are listening right now and you feel like your fire is gone, remember, maybe your motivation is dead, but your purpose didn't. Keep moving, keep showing up, keep choosing discipline, and one day life will catch up to your consistency. This is Taman Singh, your host, signing off. Until next time.